What is going on, Shopify store owners? Here is how we take Shopify stores from $32,000 a month and even lower revenue to hitting all-time record numbers and 3x in their revenue in just 30 to 60 days. I'm going to be going over all the strategies that we use for apps, funnels, upsells, abandoned cart recovery rates, content creation, creatives, ad structure, copy, all those things on how we took this brand from $32K a month to over $96,000 a month, which is about $100K a month within just 30 to 60 days with these simple principles. So first things first is whenever we look at any business, right? And it doesn't matter what niche or vertical that you are in, you want to have a couple of things sorted out. So SMS, this brand makes a lot of money through SMS. We have good conversion rates. We have good average order values. It's just the last 30 days. We made $17,000 on just 181 orders, right? We also build custom landing pages, right? And this SMS thing is a simple opt-in at checkout, okay? So don't get overwhelmed by this. We just simply have people click a box at checkout and they opt in. Now, Cart Loop is really great, but I recommend Postscript. Postscript is going to allow you to get a lot better results because if you've been watching my challenge videos for the hair oil company, which by the way, right now, my ad account is still down, trying to get it back up. But we use Postscript, and we've had tremendous numbers with Postscript. So if we go into my Postscript account here, we're going to see probably about over $25,000 in revenue in the last 30 days, exactly $25,767 just from Postscript alone. Okay, and this primarily performs a lot better than most apps. I only have 2,400 subscribers, and I'm getting $25,000 in earned revenue. So SMS is the first thing. Second thing is building a really concrete, irresistible offer that will forever sell on paid ads. So we will take a client's best-selling products, and before I get into this, right, we have SMS, but we also use Klaviyo for emails. Klaviyo allows us to do another type of, retarget / cold traffic marketing, which is we have SMS that's doing blasts, handling abandoned carts, having a welcome sequence to sell more products and upsell them and have the redirected trade to checkout. And then on top of that, we have daily email campaigns, which made her an extra $9,744 over the past 30 days. And that's just from having really good daily campaigns and automations that are right here. So we set up multiple flows inside Klaviyo. And this goes hand in hand with SMS. With Postscript, we have Browse Abandon, we have an abandoned cart reminder, and an abandoned cart sequence. And we also have a welcome series. Just like Postscript, but we're having email and SMS work together. And email and SMS working together should be making you an extra 20 to 30% every single month as those two work together. And if you're making $80,000 a month, that's an extra $15,000 a month, an extra revenue that's sitting there because you're not doing daily email and SMS. So there's the first thing. The second thing is landing pages, okay? Systemizing your offer, streamlining things. We took her 3 best sellers, which we can preview each link. We don't send them to product pages on Shopify. We send them to custom landing pages, which you might think look corny or spammy, but they convert a lot greater than regular Shopify product pages because we have copy, we have images, we have really good custom copy here with a custom offer. We can still push the pop-ups, and we get them to spend more money because we can centralize that offer, sell bundles, and get them to spend more dollar per conversion. Because regular Shopify product page, you have one product, that's it. They go to checkout, they buy. Here, we are pitching more AOV booster-based products where they can spend at that greatest amount, have them buy the bigger bundle. Pitch that, have a better AOV, push the best value here. Okay, we want them to spend more money. We want them to know there's payment options available at checkout. We want to push the branding. We want to push the FAQs. And ultimately, we want them to spend more money. Here is another best-selling product, okay? And this is their big kit for $249. We wrote more copy for this, pitched all the products in it, showed the value, showed the benefits of each, showed reviews, and had them, obviously buy the best value thing, which is the whole kit. We also do let them purchase other products that are minimal to the entire bundle on these custom landers, okay, where they can just pick and choose which product they want. It just makes more money ultimately, right? And then we had our third bundle that she sold really well, which was her pink lip kit. So we took 3 best sellers, made custom landing pages for them so that the offer is more centralized. We don't send them to regular Shopify product pages because they can click other things. They can click the home button, about us, contact us, collections, shop now. They can click all these different buttons and leave the site. With this, we centralize the offer. We only make them take this one thing or they can leave, which helps the conversion rates be a lot higher. On top of that, we also focus on abandoned cart recovery rates. So over the past 30 days, we've added an extra $6,200 alone just in recovering abandoned carts with TextCart, okay? And we have a good AOV on this. We were able to recover 129 orders lifetime, which is about $12,400 over the past 60 days. We made her an extra $12,457 just by having her recovery rates of abandoned checkouts at a higher rate. Now you're probably wondering, this is only TextCart. How else are you recovering abandoned carts? Well, we're getting 50% recovery rates on TextCart. We're getting 7% recovery rates off the Shopify automated emails. We're also getting another 10% off Cartloop or Postscript. We're also getting another 15% off Klaviyo. So we're recovering over 75 to 80% of abandoned carts. So when you look at Shopify and you go to your analytics and you see these numbers here, right? How they were once down the month before, but now we got our conversion over 2.63. Look at her reach checkout sessions converted is about 50%. If you go 30 days before, that was terrible. That's 1/3. Now it's 50% because now we're able to recover more abandoned carts. So now we're making our 50% more money just from a couple of apps and a couple of emails and a couple of texts. Okay. Now, as far as her ads are concerned, I know that's what you all are so excited to see, but here's something you should really understand is that her brand doesn't have a big Facebook presence, but it has a big Instagram one, and we're using more Instagram leverage to sell. We're also using a lot of before and after based content. I'm going to move my picture over here, but a lot of before and after based content that is not pushing before and after. We don't say before and after, we just show the thumbnail, right? And we have a video that's split screen here of us showing this before and after without actually saying it because we're not hitting personal attributes. We're being compliant. Okay, we have good ad copy here. Ready to glow with our 24/7 Golden Glow Essential Kit. We're pitching like higher AOV products, and we're also targeting value-based customers, not just conversion-based customers on Facebook, but value-based customers. We talk about what the kit includes. We don't go into much about price. We don't talk about price in the ad, and then we just have them branch curiosity and go there. Another one is this.
24 karat gold kit consists of the 24 karat gold scrub.
We have them show all the products in the ad. This is UGC, user-generated content with a good voiceover. Okay, it's good, fast-paced. It hits the attention span of people right now. People don't have a very high attention span. We're hitting them very quick, good transitions, cool clips. UGC, their ideal customers shown. We also have other examples here that are not showing before and afters. They can tell if they're the right customer. This is before and after. We're using TikTok-based content as well. It's UGC. So we're showing real customers using these products. We also have picture-based content, as you can see here, and just really, really good copy. Okay, we show a review in here. Okay, this is retargeting. Hey, we saw you check this out. Are you ready to glow with our blah, blah, blah? Like, we're pushing this essentials kit. And also we have other ones. Our pink lip kit is doing this. We show a review in it. We talk about what's included. We talk about the offer, get 30% off, right? We're always hitting the offer. We're always touching cold traffic. So top of funnel, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel. So top of funnel is, more like cold traffic, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel, UGC, before and after based content showing result driven content. And that's how we're able to convert so many people. And that's how we were able to really pump up our store. And if you're wondering, where do I get UGC? Well, we use apps like Billo. Billo allows us to get user generated content delivered to us so we can get video ads for top of funnel. So video ads are more for top of funnel, brand awareness based ads. Then middle of funnel are testimonials, how-to videos. But video ads ultimately are going to be your top of funnel content, testimonials, unboxing videos, how-tos. Those are middle of funnel, bottom of funnel. That's how you kind of finish them through the conversion product, customer journey. So I hope this video helped you out a ton. Yes, scaling a brand from 32K a month to 96K a month does require more ad spend, but it's with an optimal process that has a high ROAS. So I hope this shines some light for Where You Come brand, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.